Right guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects. Now, a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, I entered a competition held by a fellow YouTuber, Snake Eyes Gaming, and he had up for grabs some Spellcrow bits and bobs, and I thought to myself, you know what, I've never purchased a Spellcrow item in my life, and it's something that I would like to purchase and I would like to add to my armies. So I thought this was a great opportunity to try and win them. And fortunately for me, I did win them, and I was absolutely made up when he announced that I'd won. So I think it was last week I got them through the post, and as you do, you forget that you win things. You forget that you even purchase things on eBay as well, don't you? I've had that a couple of times. So it came in the post, and here it is. And obviously, because I forgot, I have opened it up, and yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the camera around and see what I've won. I'm absolutely made up, and I'll let you know what armies I'm going to add these to. So nice one, guys. If you think this is interesting, give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in a minute. Nice one. Drop. So here it is. Here's the package. As I said before, I've opened it up already. So let's remove the packaging. And we've got a nice little letter which basically says, many thanks for subscribing to our channel and entering the competition. I'd already subscribed to the channel months and months ago when it was shared on one of the Facebook groups that I'm on. I hope you find some use for these doors enclosed, and I think they look really cool. Good luck with your channel and for the future. Thanks very much. And that was from Dave from Snake Eyes Gaming. Here he is. Nice one, Dave. So what I won was 2 sets of Spellcrow heavy vehicle doors, and I think that's code for Rhino doors. So this is the first one. Now before we open it, look at the little blister pack that it comes in. I think that's pretty cool. You know, it's nicely detailed, got a lot of vibrant colours to it. Got a bit of adverts in the back for Spellcrow's other stuff, made in Poland, which is pretty cool. Bit of information. Why am I getting glare off that top light? Let me just... interesting. Anyway, yeah, so conversion bits, modelling accessories, Umbra Tourism, I'm not sure what that is. A little design there. Anyway, let's open this up. So these are the little adverts. I think this is their skirmish game. That's nice. Some nice cool models there. Wouldn't mind getting at the wharf. Painting that up. Oh, look at him there. Looks a bit grim, doesn't he? Where's some more? So they do jetpacks, salamander stuff, more backpacks. That's quite cool, isn't it? Quite detailed, quite muscular. Yeah, so that's their skirmish game. It's quite interesting. I'll have to look more into that. Anyway, so here's the doors. So obviously these are Nurgling / Death Guard doors. Now just look at the sheer detail on this. Look at that. I think that's beautiful. It's obviously resin, but you know, look at the quality of this resin. There's hardly any flash. I can't see any through the camera anyway. There's no impurities or nothing like that. It just looks fantastic. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. You can see every bit of detail. All the little faces in there, claws and nails. So obviously when you put this on a Death Guard Rhino maybe, or maybe a Land Raider or Predator. So yeah, that's going to go on there. And the second one, again, same advert. Let's just double check. Yeah, it's the same advert. Now these are a bit like a more gothic theme. So I might either put these to my Space Marine chapter, which are known as the Sons of the Emperor, which you may find that name a bit fishy, but it's basically the Emperor's Children army before they turned. So yeah, so either use them for the Sons of the Emperor's army, or when the Sisters of Battle gets released next year, I could put this on the Rhino or a Razorback, because it fits that theme, doesn't it? The gothic-y church feeling. So yeah, so I'm absolutely made up with these. I'm going to try and I need to get some Rhinos together, or some sort of vehicle for these to be added to. When I do, I will do some sort of painting tutorial, or at least show you what they look like. So keep tuned for that, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment. Try.